Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Lock I have for you today is this American lock, Series 5200. Let's see what it takes to get inside, and let's see what is inside. Alright, so we will use top of the keyway. The 40 thousandths ergo turner, and we will use this standard hook, 25 thousandths. We're getting there. You be very gentle with these locks. You easily overset them. There we are. There we go. There's our open. Beautiful. All right. Let's set it right there. Grab our pinning tray. You have to excuse me, I've already got some pins and a lock on the board there. It's from my buddy. Alright. So we will get this for you. Hey guys, sorry about that. I sort of cut out there for a second. I just wanted to clear the pinning tray so I could have the whole tray to myself here and to make it easier for this video. So I'm sorry about cutting out like that. But that is the beautiful thing of learning how to edit, which I am just starting out to. I am super green at all this stuff. So forgive me guys, as I grow, my channel will grow and so will the quality and the content. You just gotta bear with me, I promise. There's lots of good things ahead on my channel. Alright, so we're going to gut this. We're going to take the screw out from the shackle hole there. Dump that screw like so. All that good stuff will fall out. And you just stick it on here like so. Yeah, we can move that. We'll stick all this good stuff here. Okay? So, then, what you want to do is you want to grab a gutting wrench. It's got a little C-clip remover on the end there. And all we're going to do is we're going to take this C-clip off there that holds this cylinder in play. Just get her. Sometimes she likes to spin around and around in a circle there, but that's okay. We'll catch up with her and grab her just like this. Alright, maybe we won't. We'll give her a little push. There we go. Alright, we'll stick that there. And I will grab some keys. Turn my pins around the other way there. And with this one here, I'm going to shim it just because I noticed this follower that I have is just about the right size, but it also, pins are known to drop if I don't shim. Pins are known to drop if I don't shim. So I am going to shim to be safe. And there we go. Okay. I'll grab my follower here like so, and I will, where are my key pins? All right, just make sure you know where your key pins are. You don't want them flopping out. Like that. We can set that bad boy there. And we'll do this. All right, so my tweezers. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That would be number 3. This would be number 1. Number 2. And this would be number 4. All right. Okay. Boom. Boom. So we've got, I'll give you a close-up in a second of the pinning. Remember where the front and where the back is. So all right, that is the front. So we will go like so. I can take my shim out now. We're good there. And I will, slow and steady, take these pins out. All right, so that's number 1, yeah. All right. Okay. All right. Boom, boom, boom. All right, so I'll give you guys a bit of a close-up on this pinning. Excuse me. All right, so for the key pins, they are all serrated, And for the driver pins, 1 through 5 are also all serrated drivers. And then we've just got our springs there. Alrighty, so that's the American 5200 lock. Thank you so much, guys, for joining me, and I will catch you on the next one.